everyone. Now it is time for the passing session, and let me just tell him that we started. Alright, so let's do the passing session. So let's go basics. That's how you pass. And that's the pass back. So you can always remember that driven that I told you, you can also use it for passing. That's also acceptable. Again. You can also do that kind of passing and just pass around. There's different types of passing. Oh yeah. You can also go do that. There's a lot of types of passes. Yeah, like that. That's one of them. Obviously, you can go big, and if you want to go big, then you should yeah, see how he's doing it? He's trying to jump. You gotta jump. But there's no jumping. And I don't know why he can't jump. Maybe because it's because of the classes. Wait, yeah. So this is passing around. Like you gotta rush. Like every time you rush, you gotta rush down, and remember to also make accurate passes, because that's what you gotta be clinical when you're playing. Like every time I play this game, I always try to pass to people the best I can, because depending on what I think is depending on how you pass is how the play happens. That's my theory. So, and a lot of times I have proven that to be correct, because, and just like that, you also gotta remember that this is the bar. That bar is also, you gotta be good with receiving also, and to be a good receiver, you gotta hey, tell them thing, and let me just tell him, I don't know why I can't jump. I don't know why. It's probably because of the new class update, which is actually pretty fun. But it does need some a bit work, I guess, and I know the developers are definitely working on it, but anyways. So you can definitely do passing either way you want. Just like when I started shooting, that's how you can do it passing. Does not matter. It has no matter. Now, when you also run different ways, you gotta be good positioning, or the positioning. Both the receive passer has to be good with positioning, because you can't just pass out of the and just like that. That's how the clinical thing works. That's how clinically it works. So that's really all you can do, and you gotta also make sure that you make good passes, as I just said. So there's a lot of ways to make passes, and one of them is obviously driven. Driven is definitely great. Driven, remember that driven only works on PCs. It only, I mean, not only on PCs. I'm pretty sure it also works on iPad or some kind of iPad PC or something I don't know. I only know it only works. I know that it works on computers 100%. But you need a mouse. So I don't know about others. I'm sorry if I'm getting it wrong. Please correct me in the comment section down below. But yeah, all of these things that I'm doing with passing, all of these need mouse. You can't just do it on touchpad. All of these passes and all these shootings, you need a mouse. So when you play this game, it's highly recommended you have a mouse. I started this game kind of without a mouse, with only a touchpad, which is so bad. I was fine with it, but it was still kind of bad. Then I quickly got a mouse, and everything went smooth. So to do all of this, and as you can see, you gotta pass it that way. You can pass it either way. Just make sure you also get the target. In this case, the target is your friend. There's not really different terms for passing. I guess you can do crosses like this. Driven is definitely used highly, or this one. The right click is also used for definitely. That's right click. This is left click. the short passes, the left click, the high passes. Right click is definitely good for crossing. Driven also works. Don't do left click, or left click is only when you're doing close range shots. Anyway, that is it for the passing session, and